BabyTales.
Hello, little artists and shark enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the deep blue seas of creativity as we draw and color not one, but two adorable baby sharks. Let's start by sketching our baby sharks. Draw two friendly shark shapes with cute, round eyes and those distinctive fins. These little guys are here to make a splash on our canvas. Now, let's add some details to make our baby sharks even more charming. Draw their smiles, gills, and maybe even a few playful bubbles around them. After all, we're creating a joyful underwater scene. Time to bring these baby sharks to life with color. Choose your favorite shades for their fins, bodies, and smiles. Make them as colorful and vibrant as the coral reefs they swim around. Remember, this is your underwater adventure. Feel free to add seaweed, coral, or even a friendly fish companion for our baby sharks. Let your imagination take the lead. And there you have it, a pair of adorable baby sharks. We turned our paper into a mini ocean full of joy and creativity. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and creative art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your artistic journey be as endless as the ocean.